So we are in room 2273 at the Cove balcony. I'm going to take you through. Let's start in the bathroom. So there's a shower, fairly big shower, toilet, sink, pretty big. The last one we were on was much smaller. We also had a smaller room, so we have lots of storage space over here with hangers, life vests just in case. We do not need all the storage, but if you have multiple people in the room, you might. More space. And this one, actually, there's actually 3 of them. We've actually moved it. I'll show you. So there's a little circle thing here that just moves down, and this pops down. So when we came in, this was how it is, but to make room for our luggage, you just pop that up, and then you can do that with these ones also. You can see at the top there's another one up there. So if you need more space or you have something long to hang, it's a good way to do that. And then we have a couch and a little table. Lots of space in the balcony.
Can you lay down all the way on the couch?
I don't know.
Oh, nice. For when you're in the doghouse.
That's right. Alright, and then lots of counter space. We have the refrigerator, a little chair if you want to sit and have an office space, and then 3 drawers. Comes with a hair dryer, and then we've just kind of put our smaller bags in there. One thing I will talk about is the outlets. So these are the only 2 outlets in the whole cabin. So what we did before we came is we offhanded it into Amazon. We get one of these so we can put extra outlets, and it has USB. So it's coming really handy since there's no other outlets. We can charge everything there. And then there's a safe. And then you can either have 2 twin beds or put it together for a king. You get that choice on your registration. TV, of course. And let's go out to the balcony. So this is actually a Cove balcony. So it's slightly different. We'll show you a regular balcony later, but the Cove balcony is only on the 2nd floor. We weren't quite sure how we were going to like it, but it's actually very quiet. It's private. It's kind of hidden because it's underneath the lifeboats, the emergency boats. So come on out. No balcony next to us on this side. So there's only one other balcony, and then there's 3 above or below us. So it's actually really nice. It's really quiet. I would definitely book a Cove balcony again. The other balconies are on the higher floors, which is nice to give a better view, but you also have a lot more noise. You can see other people. You can see down below, which there's like pools and all that below them. So there's the pros and cons of the Cove and the regular. Okay, so we decided to try the balcony this time. Last cruise, we got the ocean view, which was just a small window. It was also on the first or second floor, I don't remember, but it was lower to the ground also. And then just, I mean, it was nice. You could look out the window. We don't spend a ton of time in our cabins anyway, so to us it doesn't really matter. This is nice. It's a good upgrade. It's nice to hang out on the balcony, kind of get away from everything. I think especially on the sea days, we're going to really enjoy it while everyone else is everywhere. But if you just want to come on the cruise to like go to the ports and you don't plan on spending much time in your cabin, I wouldn't really suggest that you spend the extra money to get the balcony or above. The interior, which has no window or even the ocean view, is probably fine for you. But it's one of those things, if you want to pay more for it, it is nice. It's a nice benefit, but you don't have to have the balcony to enjoy the cruise. There's plenty of other places on the boat that you can get away, you can watch the water, you can, you know, have your cup of coffee or whatever while you watch the sea go by. But it is a bigger room, so that is nice also. If you plan on spending a lot of time in your room, once again. So if you've never cruised before and you feel like you could get a little bit seasick, we recommend booking on a lower floor and more in the middle. You'll feel less of the movement, kind of lower to the water and in the middle, as opposed to way in the front or way in the back or higher up. Once you're higher up, you have a lot more waves coming at you. So we're on the second floor again in the lower area, and we hardly ever feel any movement. Every once in a while we will feel like a little wobbly, but it's nothing like actual seasickness. So we think it's a good plan to go lower, but it's also nice to be lower because when you get off on the ports, you go downstairs to level 1 and then you go out, and so you're closer to that, and also when you come back up you don't have to fight the elevators to go all the way back up to your room. So I like being lower, but that's just me. Okay, so now we're in a regular balcony. This is room 6417. As you can see, it's more open. Only thing is, because it's more open, you also have a lot more going on down below. This is a whirlpool and a lunch spot or a food spot. So it's higher up, but you also get all of the extra noise that you don't get down on the Cove balcony down below. The Cove balcony and the balcony room itself are the same size. The only thing that's different is the actual balcony. Cove balcony is more private, closed in, lower level. Regular balcony, higher up, but open.